Okay, it is day 4 of our pronunciation training. Welcome back. I've got some more consonant sounds to practice with you today, some notoriously difficult ones. F, v, u, and r. As always, we're going to get started with our warm-up. And we're going to pay really close attention to our lips and our tongue today because we need them for these sounds. Let's get started. All right, so grab your tongue and start some of those big swipes around the inside of your lips and push out into your cheeks as well. And turn around and go the other way. Start this side and this one. So you just want to get as much stretch through those lips and your cheeks as possible, all right? Good. We're doing that tongue trill. So our tongue's flapping really, really quickly on the top of your gum, okay, behind your teeth, up the top of your mouth. Okay, then take the tip of your tongue here and swipe it around the underside of your teeth, the top row of your teeth. So start on the left, like that, okay? Don't press too hard, don't hurt yourself, but good. And then the bottom. Okay, good. Do that a few times just to get that length and stretch through your tongue all the way through your mouth. Come back to some of these funny sounds. Good. Even just grab around your lips, just massage a little. Just pinch them. Duck face. Okay, good. Whatever you've got to do to get a little bit of warmth, get some of that tension out of your lips. All right. And then we're going to move on to our pronunciation drills. We're going to focus on those sounds that we need for our tongue twisters. So let's focus on the pair of sounds f and v. So they're a pair. One is unvoiced. We're pushing air out, and v is voiced. So we're using our vocal cords to make that sound. But our lips and our teeth are in the same position for both of them. Fa, 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 fa. Good. Now try v, v, va, 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 va. Good. Now let's try the l sound. L. So whilst the tongue is raised in the middle, the tip of my tongue is touching the back of my teeth. L, l, l. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Now try So is, I don't have the tip of my tongue touching behind my teeth or my gum at all. It's actually curled up in the middle. Ra, 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 ra. Good. Fan, fa, for, fan, fa, for. Van, va, vo, van, va, vo. Lan, la, lo, lan, la, lo. Ran, ra, ro, ran, ra, ro. Free fun, free fun, free fun. Little river, little river, little river, local flavor, local flavor, local flavor. Great, now I want to practice some words together in chunks, really common chunks of words that you'll hear, like what are ya, what do you, what are ya, what are ya, what are ya, what do you want, what do you like, what do you do, what do you say, what are ya, what are ya, what are ya. Great, gonna, I'm going to, I'm gonna, I'm gonna, I'm gonna, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna do it. Gotta, gotta, I've got to, I've gotta, I've gotta, I've gotta go, I've gotta do it. You've gotta do it. Okay, and now for our tongue twisters, focusing on 44 fine fresh fish for you. 44 fine fresh fish for you. Nice. Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread. Try it with me. Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread. Go again. And now, 11 benevolent elephants. 11 benevolent elephants. 11 benevolent elephants. Okay, let's go with Round and round the rugged rocks the ragged rascal ran. Round and round the rugged rocks the ragged rascal ran. Let's try and together. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Willie's real rear wheel. Willie's real rear wheel. Willie's real rear wheel. Truly rural. Truly rural. Truly rural. Really leery, rarely Larry. Really leery, rarely Larry. Lucky rabbits like to cause a ruckus. Lucky rabbits like to cause a ruckus. Okay, let's introduce w into that. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. Yes! Excellent. Rory the warrior and Roger the warrior were reared wrongly in a rural brewery. Rory the warrior and Roger the warrior were reared wrongly in a rural brewery. Go. Okay, now you know what to do. Create your small practice group with some friends, or if you're new to the community or you haven't met many people yet, you can create your own event, leave 3 seats open and invite some ladies to join you, to come along to practice with you. Our community experience team and our big sisters are hosting some of these events as well, so you are welcome to go along and to practice together. It's a really great way to make new friends and to have some fun while you're perfecting your pronunciation skills. All right, ladies, enjoy, and I'll see you in the last training in a couple of days.